Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Netflix. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Netflix gift card. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on your device. Now go to Amazon.com. On the search bar, type Netflix gift card. Now choose the one you want. The recommended one is the email delivery option, so tap on it. Now select the amount you want to purchase. Enter the receiver's email and write your name. If this is a gift, you can edit the message. Now type in how many you want to buy and set the delivery date. When done, tap Add to Cart. Tap Proceed to Checkout. Select your payment method and add in your payment details. Then you should be able to tap Buy It. And that's how you buy Netflix gift card. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.